Hey everyone, this is James at Urivo, New York's #1 commission rebate brokerage, with our March 2025 Manhattan market update. Last month we were looking at weakening demand and smaller decreases in supply. This month we saw a little bit of good news on the demand side of the equation. We are up 12% year over year in terms of the number of contracts signed, and we are up 9% versus normalized levels of demand. But I wouldn't get too carried away with that for two reasons. First, on our favorite chart, you can see that while it is improvement, we're not back to levels that we were seeing in the second half of last year. And the second is that contracts signed are a bit of a backwards looking indicator because they reflect the end of a search that probably started 2-3 months ago when the buyer actually entered the market and started looking at properties. So given all of the uncertainty in the market, I would expect fewer buyers to be entering the market today and therefore fewer contracts to be signed 2-3 months from now. On the inventory side, we saw a continuation of that trend. In fact, the number of listings on the market flipped positive year over year, up 2%. And this has been a very consistent, steady trend, so I have no reason to think that this isn't going to continue over the balance of the year. Seems like more sellers are just biting the bullet, giving up their mortgages and putting their places on the market. So obviously, if that does happen and contract activity were to weaken, that's not going to bode well for prices going forward. Finally here on mortgage rates, no real change here. The 30-year fixed rate mortgage is bouncing around 6.5 to 6.75. But that all being said, we are seeing some pockets of opportunity. I have people going into contract on a property this week for a price that I didn't think was remotely realistic. And the only thing I can really point to, there were other offers, the only thing I can really point to is that the other buyers are just a little more gun shy. They're a little less aggressive than they would have been a few months ago. And that is leading to some good deals to be had out there. So if you are in the market, you can reach out to us at info@urivo.com. We'd be happy to help and get you a commission rebate for up to 2% on any property in New York City. So thank you for watching, and we will see you next month. Bye.